guys, welcome back to my channel, No Rule Book to Cooking. It's your girl K Bunny. Thank you to all my 102 subscribers. I'm super grateful. Thank you guys for all the likes, the shares. If you have not subscribed as yet, hit that subscribe button. Today guys, I will be showing y'all how to make some steamed fish with crackers and Bammy, Jamaican style. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've cooked this already on the reels and it was a big hit. So I'm gonna show you guys how I go about cooking the steamed fish and Bammy today, okay? You're going to need the Jamaican water crackers, some fish. I have the yellowtail snapper here, some tomatoes, some scallions, some thyme, some onion, the Jamaican Bammy, which I love, black pepper, salt, some Maggie fish seasoning, Maggie all-purpose seasoning, and some Grace Jamaican fish flavored soup mix to add on that. And we need butter and oil. I will be showing you guys, walking through the step-by-steps on how I make my steamed fish. Usually I put coconut milk in it, but I don't have any coconut milk today, so we're gonna work without it. It tastes just the same. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so I'm here.
Growing Vein Production.
All right guys, so what I do is I coat the pan with some oil because I'm going to put everything in my pan before I put it on the heat. So just put some oil and we're just gonna add the fish opposite direction, and then we're going to start to go in with our seasonings. So we're just gonna salt, the slit on the inside, the other side. Right, you don't need a lot of salt because we have the other stuff, the other seasonings. Same with the black pepper. So we're just going in, seasoning everything. Let me get the other side. Faster. All right, like that. Then I'm gonna do the same. I'm just doing the same for everything. So with everything, like the salt and the black pepper, it's like about a teaspoon on each fish. Try to get up in the head and everywhere, because you want that flavor in every bite, right? So just that. And just rub it up. Get this smoking over nicely. Then we're gonna go in with the Maggie fish and get the knife to cut this because it's hard to cut on the Maggie fish seasoning, right? We only need 1 pack. So 1 pack of the Maggie fish. If you have the Maggie chicken in the little packet like this, 1 pack also. Up like that. So all right, now we're gonna cut up the onion, tomato, and those things in the pot. So just kind of slice your tomatoes like this. I cut my tomatoes in a dicing form. I also like my tomatoes like half ripe, half green. I don't like soft, mushy tomatoes. So just cut up the tomato in there like this. You do the same for the onion. Be very careful with the knife. You can pre-cut everything and then you just add it. You just spread it out. Then we're going in with our scallion. So just one slit down and then in half. And in half like that. Looks pretty, right? And we just drop the thyme on top and then our garlic. The garlic, we're just gonna smash it one time. So we can just smash the garlic. And then just throw it in there like that. So you wanna spread everything out. All of the onions, everything. Get it nice all over the fish like that. So when you're done, your pot should look like that, okay? All right, lastly, we're going in with the fish tea, or soup mix, they want to call it. In Jamaica, we call it fish tea. So you're just sprinkling it on top. You don't need all of it. So like half of the packet. Like that. Then now, you have your butter. So this is like 4 tablespoons of butter. Just scatter it out. Then you're going in with some more olive oil. And you're just going around. Then we're gonna put it now on the stove. All right, so you're going to put the heat on like medium low because you want the fish to create its own water. So you're going to cover the pot too. So you're gonna cover it and let the fish create its own water. That's how you get that nice creamy gravy and your fish won't be overcooked. Now, when the fish is cooking and the water come up, and if you need a little bit more water, you can add water, but you don't necessarily need to add the water. But as we go along, I will show you. All right. All right, so while the fish is cooking, we're just going to prep the bammy. So you just want to soak it in some water, maybe like lukewarm water, so that when you're ready to put it in the pot, it's already soft and ready to be cooked in the gravy. So I'm just cutting it up in quarters. I'm only gonna use one because I'm the only person in this house that eat this. So I'm gonna use one piece and leave the other. I could fry the other later at another date. So only one piece. All right. So just let it soak while the fish cook. Okay guys, so we are making progress. So you see the fish, it's creating its own juices. You don't want to touch the fish. So when you gotta move it around, just hold both handles and shake it. So we're gonna go in with some hot water. Just give it a start. And being that we're gonna add our crackers and our bammy, we need that gravy, right? So there we go. Some just shake it around. Don't touch the fish with the fork. Don't flip it. Don't do nothing. And just let it come to a simmer again. All right. All right, y'all. So everything's looking good. The gravy, nice and thick and creamy. So at this point, the fish is cooked. Or is ready to be done cooked. So we're just gonna add in the crackers and the bammy now. Nice. The gravy tastes really good. Right amount of seasoning, creamy, buttery. So now we're gonna put in the crackers and the bammy. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the bammy. Then we add the crackers. Just kind of find a place for them to soak up the gravy. I'm gonna add the crackers later because I like the crackers like tough, not so much soaked up in the gravy like that. So depending on how you like your crackers, you add it. So we're gonna come back and add the crackers. Just kind of pouring the gravy over the bammy. We're gonna cover it and let it steam some more. All right, I'll be back. All right, so this is where we're at. So we're gonna add the crackers now. I'm not putting a lot. I'm the only one eating. So I'm just gonna, and I already have the bammy in there. So I'm just gonna put enough just to make it look good. Then now, just same thing. Get the water, the gravy. Just kind of pour some gravy over the crackers to get it wet. And everything now, just give it a little bit more simmer. And it should be done. So when you want to stir the pot, just kind of do this. This is how I do it. So you don't want to break up the fish. Like that, right? Cover it back up. Make it go and do its thing. See you when it's done. All right, that's it. Steamed fish, crackers with bammy. That's it, guys. You see how the gravy nice and thick? That's how I like my steamed fish. The fish is not overcooked. The crackers are just soft to how I like them. The bammy, everything nice. So I'm going to plate. But that's it, guys. Steamed fish, bammy. All right, guys, there you have it. Steamed fish, crackers, and bammy. Looking delicious, doesn't it? Look at that. Look real good. I like it. Looks good. All right, we're gonna plate now. Let's plate. So move this over. So I'm gonna get out the fish first. And actually bring the plate closer to the pot. It's easier. Key is we don't want to broke up fish, you know. No, baby. Broke up fish, I go. Look like man could just bring the plate where the pot is. Just add in the crackers. Whoa. That's what I don't like. This look nice. This look nice. There you have it, guys. Steamed fish, bammy, crackers, nice gravy, which me I'm about to pour now on the fish. This is nice. Lots of gravy for me. Lots of gravy for me. It's the gravy for me. Lord Jesus. All right, guys, there you have it. My steamed fish with bammy and crackers. Looks super good, super delicious. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share the link. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. All right, bye.